and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade oat milk. Stay tuned and we'll get started. So into my blender I'm going to pop my water. So my water is just at room temperature, and then into that also I'm going to add my oats and my salt. And then the last thing I'm going to add in is my oil. So now that's all in, I'm just going to pop the lid on and then we're going to blend this up for a minute until it's all combined. So that's blended for a minute. I'm just going to move my base and have a little tidy up, and then I'll show you what we do with it now. So now that my oat milk is all blended, pop the lid off. Look at that. I'm going to pour this into my nut milk bag in my jug. And then I'm just going to squeeze that out. So the reason that we've put the oil in is so when we add this into warm drinks it doesn't split, and also the little bit of salt is in there just so it doesn't go off as fast, because obviously it's got no other additives like store-bought versions. So it's time to give it a squeeze. So now my oat milk's all squeezed out. Don't worry about the froth, that will settle down. So I'm just going to pop that into a glass container. And then I'm just going to pop my lid on to the glass jar, give it a good squeeze so it's all tight, and that is your oat milk made. Now store this in the fridge. You will find that it does separate a little bit, so your oats will end up down at the bottom and the top's quite watery. When you get it out, just give it a shake to combine it all, and it's absolutely fine. Do hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do give it a like and leave me a comment if you're going to make this yourself. And don't forget to click to subscribe and watch my latest video over here. Thank you for watching. Bye!